So I'm looking around on Craigslist and I find some people looking for someone to remove their fence and pull their posts. So of course I responded, said, you know, I do that kind of thing. Got the job and crafted this post puller with some 4x4s and a chain hoist, and it worked pretty well. It was kind of like the most satisfying form of dissatisfaction you've ever had. The dissatisfaction is that it was actually a lot of work, but the satisfaction being that, man, to see those posts just emerge from the ground was really awesome. I also worked up a stump puller using my farm jack. This again was based on some more videos. I'm telling you, this YouTube video watching thing is not a total waste of time. You can actually learn some stuff. Alright, but this video is not about posts and stumps and stuff. It's about taking out this tree here with my buddy Joe. I ran into Joe a couple weeks ago and he said, hey man, next time you do a tree job, why don't I come over and help you out? So of course I had to take him up on that. He not only helped me out by, you know, helping to load the trailer and stuff, he brought his, as he calls it, saw on a stick. Now some people would call that a pole saw, but for Joe, saw on a stick. I hadn't used one of these before and it actually worked pretty well. It allows you to get some limbs more quickly than you can get just by climbing. So quick is good, especially on a hot day. And after a little while, Joe actually let me use the saw on a stick.
I went to McCabe's rental. Yeah. That one didn't run. I went to Awesome Machinery. That one barely ran.
Anyway, after using the saw on the stick to kind of shuck the bottom limbs off this pine, I got my spikes on, climbed it, and took care of the rest of it. We also had a mulberry to cut down out back and some high pruning on an oak to do.
Stack this stuff. Yeah. Let's scrap it and then we'll be able to... Okay.
I need a bigger trailer. Or something. Chipper.
One.
Gotta get a chipper, man.
They're cheap.
Cheap?
No, they're just money.
Oh. Oh, it's just money. Alright. Alright, well I didn't realize it was just money. If I realized it was just money, you know, I'd have bought one. Somebody left me some little nubbins.
Oh man.
No, jeez. It's the new guy.
Okay, you taught me.
It's fine. They're kind of good because you can step on them.
Yeah.
But they're a pain in the ass.
Okay, you should have told me. You should have got on the case.
I said flush.
I know you did tell me.
You should have told me. I mean, you did.
Yeah.
I mean, you did tell me.
Worked on this mulberry tree.
You want to see if the saw on a stick can do some of this pruning over here on these dead dudes? I'm just not sure if it's long enough. All the dead stuff on the south side. What do you think my range is on this stem right here? I'm thinking if I notch it here, right around the front of the truck, or a little shorter.
Oh, it's shorter.
It's shorter.
Oh yeah.
I'll put it right here.
Shorter and shorter. Oh no! About 5 foot.
Now we know.
Did you intend it to land a 3-point dive?
No splash. Clean. What happened to mulberry?
I got bored with it.
You chopped it up.
Alright, thanks for checking out the video. Hit me with a comment down below if you want some back chatter. And otherwise, I will just see you in the next video.